your kids are anything like mine, they are always wanting soda. But what do you do when they drop the soda and now we have a huge stain on our beige or white carpet? No, we cannot beat the kids. But what we can do is remove the stain. Join me and I will teach you an all-natural way using no harsh chemicals, and we will get that stain out. Oh my gosh! Your son just dropped an entire can of cola on the carpet. Don't fret, we got this. We can remove that stain. First, you're going to grab the items that we will need. Paper towels, white vinegar, dishwashing liquid, and hydrogen peroxide. Run, go get them, quick. I'm going to tell you what to do next. First, using the paper towels, soak up as much of that cola as possible. Just get out as much liquid as you can off of that stain, okay? Keep soaking it up until the paper towels are no longer pulling up liquid. You really need to get as much liquid out as you can. Next, you're going to apply white vinegar to the cola area, to the cola stain, and then you're going to use your paper towels and blot it up again. Make sure that you continue blotting this time, just like last time, all the way until all the liquid is completely absorbed into the paper towels. Next, get some dishwashing liquid and dilute it with some water. Take this solution and put it all over the stain again. I use my hands at this point and kind of mix it in and get it into the fibers and down into the carpet as good as I possibly can. Then you're going to take a clean, wet cloth and you're going to get out as much of that soap as you can. Well, you didn't use a lot to begin with, so this step shouldn't be that hard. However, you're going to rinse all that soap out of your carpet with a clean towel. Next, again with the paper towels. I know I keep coming back to this. However, grab your paper towels again and then dab up all the moisture from the carpet after we did the dishwashing liquid and the water. Get all the moisture out of it again. At this point, the stain should be gone. If it isn't, simply go right back to using the white distilled vinegar. Take the white distilled vinegar, start treating the stain again. Do the vinegar, blot with paper towels. Do the dishwashing liquid and water, rinse it, blot with paper towels. You should not have to repeat this process very many times for the cola to come up. I have never had to do it more than twice. So unless your stain is old and has been sitting around for a while, this is going to take care of it. Please share this video with your friends, subscribe for daily DIY, organization, and cleaning videos, and also give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked the video. Thank you, and I will see you next time.